Hello again, greetings. Uh, what I'd like to show you is the front half of the receiver. Okay, uh, this is a hole for the barrel. This is the part where you insert the barrel into, and you'd see this vertical vertical holes. There are two. Uh, these are the actual plenum. The total volume of the plenum is 20 cc, and this horizontal hole that forms the cavity for the valve. Okay, so this is the valve. You hit the here the left part with the hammer, and once the hammer hits, the valve would move this way. Okay, there. So you can see that you now have a gap. The air goes through that gap. Close it again. Also, I have a yellow piece here that forms a stopper for the valve, the amount of travel the valve can move. So this can be adjusted using a slotted screwdriver. So let's say it's move it this way, and when I hit the valve with the hammer, it can only move a very small amount. Oops. There, you can see the opening is small. Uh, if that's the case, the feet per second, the pellet velocity will be low. And I can also adjust the stopper by a big amount, like, like here, or move it outwards, I should say. Now, when that's the case, and if I hit the hammer, hit the valve with the hammer from the left side, you can see that the valve can now open by a very big amount there. So all the air from the plenum here will travel into the cavity and go out through here, the gap. Okay, so the air travels here and goes up to the what's this the transfer port. This is the transfer port, and goes into the barrel. Okay. Oh, one more thing. The, this thing is the valve spring. It keeps your valve closed. Uh, the red pieces, the round, that's an O-ring. Same here. There's another O-ring. And this item that keeps your O-ring in place when you install it. Okay, you can see that the valve seat also has an O-ring here. Okay, that's all I have for now. mabigat ikutin pag naka-on yung torno. Napatay ko. Sorry, walang ilaw. So, ingat lang dito. This is M3 on top. So ito na-thread na natin. Kaya naglagay ko ng M3 na nut. Bibilogin yan para dyan nakasangga yung Delrin. Bukod dito sa thread, nakauntog pa siya dyan. Ito yung valve material natin. Delrin yan. Big in diameter, ililiit na lang. So, itatap natin yung dinil natin butas. Mas okay rito kasi tuwid, kalado yung tapping. Pag-start ng thread. Mag-cut naman tayo ng groove para sa o-ring. Ito yung o-ring. Let's see. Thickness yan is 1.5. So, yung depth ng groove ko, gagawin ko mga 1.2 or maximum na 1.3. Okay, 1 mm na tayo. Tignan ko sa 1.2. 1.1. 1.2. Tapos, sulat natin up to. Konti lang nakalabas. Okay. Looks good. Pwede na. So, cut off. Tansyahan na lang mga haba nito. Ito na yung ginawa nating valve. Delvin, itong puti, this is brass. And this is also brass. Naka-thread through. Tapos yung joint nila, merong seal, 3 band plus Teflon tape. Ito yung spring. Tapos, meron na rin tayong valve seal. Okay, ganyan yan. So, puputulan na lang yan pag-install na para tama haba.